Hi everyone, I've put this little collection together. It's called the Roller Set Collection. You know, so often when you're setting hair, you can get amazing different results. And so many young hairdressers today seems to think that setting hair is irrelevant. Well, it's not. If you love dressing long hair, you really need to understand how to set hair. Now, I've used in the hair, I've got a red roller, a blue roller, and I've got a white roller. The white being the smallest, so wherever I use the white, I want extra strength. Where I use the blue, I just kind of want that little bit extra support in the middle of the hair. And wherever I've used the red, I kind of want to smooth the hair out more. So you can use the equivalent normal rollers, Velcro rollers, in your wet setting if you wanted to. Now, I call this collection my Power Collection. So this is a collection of set hairstyles that I think you might enjoy. Let's have a little look. Our first set, we're going to set back from the front like this, you can see. Now I'm using my red rollers, so I want this to be a little bit smoother. Then I'm going to put my blue and my white in, but I'm rolling them up. Can you see that? So the roller, the blue roller and the white roller went up. Now all the other rollers go down. So I'm doing blues and whites, white at the very bottom, just to keep it that little bit tighter. So there's our very first set from our roller set collection part 1. The rollers on the top going back, then 2 on either side, the reds go down, the blue and the white on either side go up, and then the blues and the whites at the back go down. Okay, let's brush this out and let's back comb it up, and now you'll see why I've set the hair the way I have.